Tanaka plays the ball out wide. Juice slips. Justin. Bogle. Blocked. Fucking hell, man. Rodon plays it behind Tanaka. Tanaka. Okafor. Goes back. Okafor. Does really well. Ball in again, wins a corner. Stack over it. Straight Areola, presumably a West Ham free kick. Yes. Come on, Leeds. Leeds giving it a fight. Come on, Leeds. Come on, Leeds. Do the Leeds players ever shoot in training? Play on, that's not a free kick. It's no aggression or urgency as possible until the last 10 minutes. Do you know what it is, Freddie? I think right now there's a lot of space between the lines for West Ham. I just look at Noah Okafor and I look at Willian Yonto on the pitch at the same time, and I think that'd just be much better. Space between the lines. Ball out wide. Justin. Just get your head up, Justin. What is that? Just get your head up. Justin's played a wicked ball across the box, but Metcha's come out to basically link play there, and he's done well, but Justin's just got to get his head up there. There's no one there. No one there. It leads his lack of goal threat is slightly worrying. It really is. We just look blunt. We look nice. Got leading up to the goal. We look really nice. Yeah, I think a 4-2-3-1 with, for me anyway, a 4-2-3-1 with Okafor on one side and Nonto on the other would hurt them. Rodon. Tanaka's look brilliant. Kilman gets Metcha again. Metcha. Tanaka's just been brilliant. Tanaka's been excellent. Justin. Okafor. Tanaka. Tanaka. Yes! My boy! My little Japanese metronome, baby! Look at him! Start this, man! Are you joking? Are you having a laugh? Benching him? You can't bench him! You can't bench him! Ow, Tanaka, baby! Leeds United go 1-0 up. We've scored a goal. Brilliant finish by Tanaka. Drags it back. By the way, the man who started it. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look at this goal again. Brilliant football by Leeds. Tanaka swivels. Lovely ball with his left foot. And just watch out Tanaka here. James Justin, he must make up 50 yards here, Tanaka. Brilliant touch. Drags it back. Oh, it's deflected, but who cares? What a finish. Brilliant by Al Tanaka again. Doesn't just stand there and just idly watch the ball. He plays the pass. He follows the ball. Follows the ball. Box-to-box work from Al Tanaka there. It's why you fucking start Al Tanaka. Give him some consistency. He is... Look, I mean, just look. No one can get near him in that midfield. No one can get near him in that midfield. So far, they've not been able to touch him. Everything is balance on the ball. How he's able to pivot. Excellent. Excellent, excellent Al Tanaka. Buzzing for him. 1-0. So much better. So much better without Tanaka. That little Japanese dancer. Ash says, haven't scored in 600 minutes. Enter Tanaka. Let's just hope we just don't sit back now. Let's just hope we don't just sit back. Tanaka again winning the ball. What a tackle. That's never a foul. It's never a foul. It's a brilliant tackle by Al Tanaka. Oh, he's absolute. Who's that in the middle there? Freddie Potts. He's nowhere near it, mate. Nowhere near it. He's been brilliant, Tanaka. The new boys, keep them in this team. Little dancer. Just don't sit back now. Let's not sit back. Kilman. Just nice that we've scored a goal, isn't it? I've really liked Leeds' performance. It's been blunt. It feels it's been kind of blunt going forward, but tell you what, that changes things, doesn't it? Kilman tries to get rid of it. Tanaka wins it again. He's been fucking everywhere. Oh, Bowen deflects. Rodon panicked a bit there. That was a bit weird from Joe Rodon. Didn't need to do that.